White farmers jailed for S18's murder. Daily Nation. A South African court on Wednesday handed jail terms of 23 and 18 years to two white farmers who murdered a black teenager suspected of stealing sunflowers in a remote farming community. Peter Dorward, 28, and Philip Schutt, 35, were found to have killed 15-year-old Matlomola Mazwe on April 20, 2017, after claiming they caught him taking a plant from a farm in the area. Mr. Dorward was jailed for at least 18 years and Mr. Schutt for at least 23. The boy died after being thrown out of a moving vehicle driven by the pair and suffering a broken neck, in a case that sparked rioting and looting of white-owned businesses in the town of Coligny. The men had claimed that the teen jumped off the truck as they drove him to the police, but it was Mr. Schutt who was found to have thrown the boy to his death. Judge Ronald Hendricks previously also found the pair guilty of kidnapping and intimidation. Murder. You.
Raindrops.